Oh man, I'm so glad it's Tuesday. TGIF, more like TGIT, am I right? Well, I guess it's time to fap. Oh, hey Squiddy, old buddy. I heard that today was Tuesday, and I was wondering if you would like to fap to me, Miss Squilliam. Squilliam? Swilliam, what are you doing here? I definitely was not planning on fapping to you. No, I'm too high class to do that again. No. Oh yeah, Squidward, what if I did some sexy poses for you to fap to? Uh, uh, oh yeah, oh frick yeah, No, Squilliam. I'm too high class to fap to you. No. I will not fap to you once more, Squilliam. I am reserving my urge to fap. In fact, Squilliam, I am going to create my own fap chamber with blackjack and hookers. What do you think about that, Squilliam? Oh, come on, Squidward. We both know that you want to fap to me. Now, come on. Pull down those sexy pants of yours and get a fapping, alright? Oh, Squilliam, no fapping at all, okay? Oh, please, Squidward. I'll do anything if you fapped to me. Alright, you convinced me. Must fap! No, the sperm! Huh. Well, I guess potatoes are vegetables. Ha.